It's the Will and Morgan Show.
Hey guys, welcome back to Will and Morgan Show. We got a great show for y'all today.
Morgan is going to be talking with our cousins on another interview. And then we have a new segment called Taste Time. And also, we'll be cooking with Will. Tips on keeping yourself motivated.
Hey William, I got a question for you. Do you know what your goals are in life?
No, I don't know what my goals are in life.
You have to know what you're doing and what your goals are going to be in life. You got to be true to yourself for you what you really want.
I'm just tired.
You need to get motivated. You need to really think about it before you go to sleep tonight and think, what is your true purpose? I'm going to ask you tomorrow what you came up with.
Okay.
Hey Will, so have you thought of what you want to do in life?
What do you want to do in life?
Be a famous YouTuber.
Save! Woo! Know where you're going and be true to yourself. For tip number 1.
Tip number 2 is know why. And the reason why I want to be a famous YouTuber is so I can help others, have fun, learn new things, and teach others.
Don't forget you have to commit those goals.
It's kind of spicy.
It's good and sweet.
Hello, I would like to introduce some of my cousins. Here are their names and ages.
Hey, I would like to introduce a couple of my cousins.
Hello, I am Jackson. I am 10 years old.
Hello, my name is Kevin, and I'm 8 years old.
Need to look up on YouTube or something to watch different.
If you had one game that you can buy in the store, what would it be?
I would like to buy
What's your favorite thing?
my favorite game is FNAF Security Breach.
Mine is Fortnite!
Are you? That was perfectly missed it.
Okay, I got.
Wait, hold on. We can add this second question to it because what we did was perfect.
Wait, hold on. Wait, Grandpa. Do you have like a thing that adds this stuff onto it, like a wolf face?
If you had one superpower in the world, what would it be?
Mine would be invisibility.
Mine would be to turn into a werewolf.
I would like to thank my cousins for joining me in my interview.
You are welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And have a good day.
Don't have a good day, have a great day.
welcome to Will's Kitchen. We're starting off some sandwiches today.
Today I'm going to be making a bacon sandwich. Just give me precise.
We're making the ultimate sandwich.
And we pull it apart. Perfect.
Oh, never mind.
Ooh, I'm going to grab 2 of those guys.
And then next, we have bacon.
Bacon.
Now that's it for this today's show.
Well, looks like that's all for today. But I do want to give a shout out to my friend from school named JoJo. Look up on YouTube JoJo Do. Capital J, capital J. Oh wait, I got a joke. What tree can you fit in your hand?
What?
A hand tree.
No. Palm.
Always remember to be kind and keep yourself motivated through time. I know it's not easy, but that's okay. Think about the reason you want to be motivated, and that will help you. Thank you for subscribing, and see you in the next video.
Come on, watch more JoJo. Come on, we're more JoJo. Let's go. Watch the more. We're more.